So this is the first question we have. The question is about Aadhaar and its uses, and there are 4 statements given with respect to Aadhaar and its uses, and based on those 4 statements we have to find out correct statements. Okay, these are the options. These 4 are the options. So let's go through the statements first. Statement 1 says Aadhaar metadata cannot be stored for more than 3 months. आधार मेटाडेटा को हम 3 महीने से ज्यादा एक जगह पे स्टोर नहीं कर सकते हैं, एक जगह नहीं किसी भी जगह पे स्टोर करके नहीं रख सकते हैं. Statement 2 says state cannot enter into any contract with private corporations. प्राइवेट कॉर्पोरेशंस के साथ आधार डेटा को हम लोग शेयर नहीं कर सकते हैं. हम लोग मतलब स्टेट का मतलब गवर्नमेंट एजेंसीज एज मेंशन्ड इन आर्टिकल 12. ओके, नाउ वी हैव स्टेटमेंट 3. आधार इज मैंडेटरी फॉर ऑब्टेनिंग इंश्योरेंस प्रोडक्ट. अगर आपको इंश्योरेंस प्रोडक्ट लेने हैं तो आधार की डिटेल्स देनी पड़ेगी. And statement 4 says Aadhaar is mandatory for getting benefits funded out of the Consolidated Fund of India. So basically all the government schemes are funded through Consolidated Fund of India. So in another words, the statement 4 is implying that कोई भी अगर government scheme का benefit चाहिए, so Aadhaar details will be mandatory. In the recent year, Aadhaar and its uses were widely circulated in the newspapers and current affairs basically due to 2 events. First one is enactment of Aadhaar Act. The Parliament of India had enacted the Aadhaar Act, and subsequently that was challenged in the Supreme Court, and Supreme Court came out with a verdict which is known as popularly in folklore Aadhaar verdict. So there are certain rules and regulations which are laid down in the Aadhaar Act. Some of them were negated by the Aadhaar verdict and some were upheld. So whatever the Aadhaar verdict says or upheld in the Aadhaar verdict, based on that information we can find out the correct answer. Okay, so let's go through the statements again. Statement 1 कह रहा है कि 3 महीने से ज्यादा हम मेटाडेटा को स्टोर नहीं कर सकते हैं. इन आधार वर्डिक्ट सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने परमिशन दी थी गवर्नमेंट को एंड गवर्नमेंट एजेंसीज दैट दे कैन स्टोर द आधार डेटा ऑफ इंडिविजुअल बट नॉट फॉर नॉट मोर देन 3 मंथ्स. 3 महीने से ज्यादा के लिए स्टोर नहीं कर सकते हैं. However, in certain cases that period can be given an extension of 3 months. कि 3 महीने का एक और extension उसको दिया जा सकता है, but not beyond that. So in totality, which is the time period for which Aadhaar data can be stored, it is up to 6 months. So it is not 3 months but 6 months. So statement 1 is incorrect. If statement 1 is incorrect, let's see what are the options which can be eliminated. Option A and option D. These are eliminated since statement 1 is correct here. Statement 2 says state cannot enter into any contract with private corporations for sharing Aadhaar data. Again, that was the very fundamental crux of the verdict. Okay, in Aadhaar verdict, Supreme Court said that private entities can neither store themselves, can neither store data of Aadhaar, neither state can transfer them the data. प्राइवेट एंटिटीज के पास ना तो डेटा आ सकता है, ना तो वो स्टोर कर सकते हैं आधार डेटा को, ना ही गवर्नमेंट एजेंसीज उनको डेटा ट्रांसफर कर सकती है. सो स्टेटमेंट 2 इज एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट. So if statement 2 is correct and statement 1 is incorrect, then we are left with only one option, and that is option B. We didn't have to go through the statement 3 and statement 4. But we are not in examination, we are in the explanatory stage. So just for the sake of explanation, let's go through the statement 3 and statement 4 and find out why statement 3 is incorrect and why statement 4 is correct. So statement 3 says that Aadhaar is mandatory for obtaining insurance product. So which is the authority in India which is mandated for the regulation of insurance industry? That is IRDAI. Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India. In 2017, under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act, IRDAI said that Aadhaar will be mandatory. But by 2019, it reversed the decision and said no, that will be voluntary. जिसको देना है वो दो, जिसको नहीं देना ना दो. Again, in early 2020, IRDAI came with the notification that Aadhaar will be mandatory. And in again 2020, IRDAI came with the notification no, it will not be mandatory, voluntary होगा, जिसको देना वो दे, जिसको नहीं देना वो ना दे. So the current status is Aadhaar is voluntary and not mandatory. Okay, so statement 3 is incorrect. In statement 4, about getting benefits funded out of the consolidated funds. So the Aadhaar Act in itself laid down the provision that अगर आपको कोई भी गवर्नमेंट बेनिफिट्स चाहिए, गवर्नमेंट स्कीम के बेनिफिट्स चाहिए, तो आपको आधार डिटेल्स देनी पड़ेगी. This was the provision in the Aadhaar Act, and that was subsequently challenged in the Aadhaar verdict, and the Aadhaar verdict upheld that provision. So statement 4 is correct, as we had find out earlier. So this is the correct answer, option B. अब इसको हम यहाँ पे आंसर और एक्सप्लेनेशन देख सकते हैं. So here we are given the correct answer, statement 2 and statement 4. So this was the first question.